Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. So if you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day here on this one, and I say another rough day because on Friday it was very rough because at one point the price had broken up there, looking like it was going to break out, and then ultimately rolled back over on the day, and then it just continued on into the new week here. So we'll see what happens with it. The good news is at least the price is doing a good job of fighting and maintaining around that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous, the very followed 200 period moving average. And even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of technical analysis, I'm sure you've heard of that 200 period moving average. And you know that when the price is up above it, assuming you're bullish, of course, you want to see the price stay up above it. And that is what played out here today. So like I said, it was a rough day, don't get me wrong, but I suppose what I'm saying is it could have been a whole lot worse had the price come down to that pink line there and then just continue to drop and drop and drop. So at least the price did go sideways there a little bit, but that is now what brings about the first key area of support to keep an eye on moving forward, which sits right there at the 159 mark. So 159 will be that first key level, and nothing fancy behind that other than the fact that that's just where the bleeding stopped today. But in the event 159 is tested and then ultimately cannot quite hold up, the next area of support after that point would be that former breakout area right down there around 153.50. If the price does try to bounce back upwards, first key area of resistance now to watch and keep a close eye on would be right up there at the 160, what is that? The 166 area. So 166 initial level. And then from more of an overarching standpoint, you also want to keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50 period moving average, which is actually what rejected the price down a couple of times this morning. But overall, yeah, not a great way to start off the week, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.